dust, smoke, dirt, and you're in the middle of it. Small particles and toxic fumes that surround you at work can literally take your breath away and are dangerous. Once inside your lungs, ultra-fine particles like silica dust can settle in the air sacs and damage them. Irreparable. The consequences? Shortness of breath, pulmonary fibrosis, or cancer. One thing is certain, you need clean air to work. You need respiratory protection that suits you and does not hinder you, neither your movement nor your communication. Respiratory protection is Swiss Air. Complete protection at the highest TH3 protection level, 40 times more effective than the best FFP2 filters. Lightweight and snug fitting, Swiss Air makes itself unnoticeable after just a few minutes and remains so even after hours of use. No more laborious breathing against the resistance of a paper mask. A microblower directs clean air directly into the mask and enables effortless breathing. The half mask made of flame-retardant material adapts perfectly to your facial contours and eliminates the need for a fitting test. The intuitive control panel lets you adjust the airflow steplessly and gives you an overview of battery charge status and filter contamination. The filter unit is compact and weight optimized and relieves your neck and back. And best of all, Swiss Air is compatible with any form of helmet, visor, or hearing protection and is still there when you take them off. No more excuses, just clean air. Swiss Air. Safety never felt so comfortable.